In this video, we will learn to insert WordArt in MS Word 2013. WordArt feature allows us to add various decorative text styling in a document. It gives appealing effects to the text, such as text fill, text outline, and varieties of visual effects. To insert a word art, bring the pointer at the position where the word art is to be inserted and click. Now click on the Insert tab. Select the Word Art button in the text group. A word art gallery appears right below the button. Choose a word art style. Notice a placeholder with the default text. Your text here appears at the predefined point. Begin typing the required text. Observe the default text is being replaced by the new one. The word art placeholder can be resized and rotated using the respective handles. In this way, we can add word art in MS Word 2013. Thank you.